Hi, my dearest friends. Something quite amazing going to happen on the Gold Coast. I am inviting you to attend my 2 in-person workshops that I'm going to do in September. The first one on the 6th of September, Saturday. It will be in Carrara Community Center, and the workshop called How to Heal Using Intuitive Healing and Medical Intuition. We will be learning amazing techniques and skills, how to tune into your body and how to listen to your intuition, not just simple intuition, but medical intuition, which is much more precise because your body doesn't lie. And we will learn all the techniques how to heal, how to connect to your subtle body energy and the energy that is responsible for your health. So this workshop will be on the 6th of September, and another workshop will be the following week. It will be on the 13th of September, and it is called remote viewing. How to practice remote viewing, and anybody can practice remote viewing. Remote viewing is your ability to see something from a distance, and distance doesn't matter. And you can do it, and it is not a special talent but a skill which can be learned, because everything is energy, and if you go into the energy field, you can see what's in the other city, in the other building or country or continent. Distance doesn't matter for remote viewing. So if you are interested in this, acquiring these skills which allow you to see the truth beyond the physical, so please join me on the 13th of September. If you want to attend both, you can, because the workshops are different. They are all connected to the energy, and they all similar in a way that we will be working in the energy field. But the techniques and skills and all the information is different, so you are welcome to attend both. So please register, because seats are limited and tickets running out fast. I am looking forward to working with you, and these both events will be very interesting and amazing.